Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll and find the option connected with the battery, and it is right here. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, at the bottom of this first section, we've got the battery percentage option, which is in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, we do not have any other options to choose from, to display the battery percentage inside the battery icon, but to be honest, this option, so next to the battery icon, is the most visible one. Yes, of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.